To hide apps on the Oppo A80 5G, first of all you will have to open settings. Now you will have to start scrolling and you have to go for security and privacy. Then you will have to start scrolling again and open hide apps. Now you can select which application you want to hide. Let's do this, for example, with Google Chrome. Now we have to set a privacy password, so click here and input the password that you want to create. When you click here, you can even change type between 4 digits, 6, from 4 to 16, pattern or alphanumeric. In my case, I would like to get the simple pattern, so input it 2 times. Now you can set the security question and you can set the recover via email. You can also change the security question if you want and even set the custom one. And now you have to set the access code that we have to input on our dial pad. So click on the settings. And now we have to start with this character, input the code, and it should actually contain 1 to 16 digits, and click to enter. Now click confirm and click done. Now as you can see, when you try to search for the Google Chrome, it's not available here. So when you open the phone dialer and input our code, we will get access into the hidden apps. That's all for this video right now. Please subscribe.